you doing?
I'm fine.
The pass. Your pass.
That's one of those questions you shouldn't ask.
Is it? I guess those are the rules. But someone should ask it, even if you ask it of yourself.
What are you, a Zen master now?
Of course. Did you know? What would you like to learn? You have studied Wu Chu, ancient master of the